Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Overwatch on mobile. Many players want to enjoy their favorite hero shooter anywhere, anytime. We will explore the two primary methods: cloud gaming services and remote play from your home system. Understanding these options and having the right setup will allow you to dive into intense team battles on your smartphone or tablet, ensuring you never miss a moment of the action. Cloud gaming services are a fantastic way to play Overwatch without owning a powerful local machine. These platforms stream the game from remote servers directly to your phone or tablet. You will need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to minimize latency and ensure smooth gameplay. Many providers offer a free trial, allowing you to test the service before committing to a subscription. Remote play allows you to stream Overwatch from your own gaming PC or console directly to your mobile device. This method requires your home system to be powered on and connected to the internet, acting as the host. For the best experience, ensure you have a robust local network connection, ideally using 5 GHz Wi-Fi, to minimize any input delay and maintain a crisp visual stream while playing. To truly enjoy Overwatch on mobile, investing in a compatible Bluetooth controller is highly recommended, as touch controls can be challenging for fast-paced shooters. Always prioritize a strong, stable Wi-Fi connection over cellular data for consistent performance. Additionally, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to lower resolutions or quality presets. This optimization will help maintain higher frame rates and a smoother overall experience on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.